Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we'll be reviewing one of the best DC laboratory power supplies available, the BiSite i8DC Laboratory Power Supply. If you're looking for a compact, high-precision, and reliable power supply, stay tuned as we dive into its features, pros, cons, and who it's best suited for. Now, let's get started. Product features: compact and lightweight. Its small size makes it easy to transport and store. Ideal for mobile technicians, small workspaces, and on-the-go applications. Automatic switching. Constant voltage and constant current modes switch automatically based on the load, ensuring stable operation. This smart functionality prevents fluctuations and enhances precision in sensitive applications. Adjustable output, voltage, and current. You can fine-tune the output voltage and current between 0 and the rated value as per your requirements. This flexibility is beneficial for working with different electronic components and circuit designs. Built-in protection features: overvoltage, overcurrent, overtemperature, and overload protection keep the device and connected equipment safe. These features extend the lifespan of the power supply and safeguard delicate electronic components. Intelligent fan cooling. The electronically controlled fan ensures low noise, temperature-controlled cooling, and an extended fan lifespan. The advanced cooling mechanism prevents overheating even during extended usage. Dual voltage support. Works with both AC 110V and 220V, making it compatible in different regions. This universal compatibility ensures users worldwide can rely on its stable performance without needing additional converters. Pros. High-precision display. The 4-digit display provides accurate voltage and current readings. Multiple protection features ensure safety and longevity of both the power supply and connected devices. USB connectivity. Allows for convenient remote control and programming via a computer. Lightweight and portable. Perfect for workspaces with limited space or those needing a portable power supply. Quiet operation. The low-noise, intelligent fan ensures effective cooling without excessive noise. Wide compatibility. Supports both AC 110V and 220V power inputs. Reliable performance. Provides stable and consistent output for precision applications. Energy efficient. Designed to consume minimal power while maintaining efficiency. Cons. No battery backup. It must always be plugged in for operation. Limited output range. While suitable for many applications, it may not meet extreme high-power requirements. Basic USB functionality. The USB interface is useful but lacks advanced software integration features. No included accessories. Additional cables or adapters may need to be purchased separately. Who is it for? Electronics, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts. Ideal for those working on small electronics projects. Engineers and technicians. A great addition to any professional lab for testing circuits and components. Students and educators. Perfect for classroom demonstrations and lab experiments. Repair technicians. Useful for troubleshooting and repairing electronic devices. Manufacturers and product testers. Reliable for quality assurance and testing of electronic products. The BiSite i8DC Laboratory Power Supply is a great option for those seeking a compact, precise, and reliable power supply. Its advanced features and safety protections make it a valuable choice for both professionals and hobbyists. Check out the link in the description for the latest price and deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.